We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I know, judging mama. So as you guys can tell, I am in an airport. I'm about to take a special trip. It's a surprise trip, and I'm so excited. Guys, I made it to Georgia. First of all, y'all, I don't feel well. On the plane, I was having really bad motion sickness, so I don't feel good. I haven't eaten, so I don't know if that's what the issue is or if I was just having motion sickness. So when I fly back, I'm gonna get me some Dramamine because I can't take it. I cannot take it, y'all. I don't feel good at all. I really don't. So I'm waiting on somebody to get off the plane, and then we're waiting on somebody else, and then we'll head to our destination. So BRB. So if you didn't know, there's my sister Tiarah. There's my sister. We're doing a sister meetup. She's gonna be so happy that I'm vlogging. It's Tiarah and Coco, girl. Tiarah's trying to get me to Tiarah's trying to get me to real life vlog. I took my mask off, y'all. First of all, judge on Mama. It's hot as hell. Look at hold on, let me flip this camera. Look at her. Look at her. With Coco. Coco been running around, living her best baby life. And y'all, guess what? Coco like Raisinets.
She know.
She her TT needs. Okay, say I like her. Say I like Raisinets. Don't you like? Oh, look at you. You look so pretty. Don't you like Raisinets, Coco? Of course you do. I know. Look at you. Look, we read her TT read her book to her. It wasn't much in there, but I read it to her. Like we was living. Look, yes. Go ahead, big girl. You're so smart. Look at you. Look at you, y'all. I'm sitting here recording. I might not even edit this. Okay, bye. Our sisters are here to pick us up. Let's see. Everybody's vlogging.
My baby, I like it.
Look.
My baby, I die for you.
I don't know where Shenny is. Look, Coco like this is too much. This lady already got on her. Hey. Me and Coco are about to give y'all a tour of my crib. Oh, I should have put on my contacts and my sunglasses. Me and Coco are about to give y'all a house tour. Say hey, Coco. Right, we're about to give y'all a house tour, so let's go. All right, y'all, this is the outside of the house. That's how it's looking. There's my fountain. Get into that. All right, let's take y'all inside. All right, so this is when you first walk in. This is the stairway. That's the table. And look at my ceilings, y'all. Ceilings as high as y'all dreams, okay? Oh, look at Tiarah trying to be in my hurry. Just grab Coco. No, grab Coco. Come here. So, this is when you first walk in. I had to get Coco to her respective parent. Coco heavy. I don't know how Tiarah be carrying that baby all day. Woo-wee. Alright, so this is it. Shady, why are you recording my house? Shady, why are you doing a house tour in my house? I'm so confused. Alright, so this is the dining room. This house is beautiful. I'm so glad I picked it. All right, they got a little wainscoting on the ceiling. All right, what y'all know about that? No, I'm just playing. So I ain't showing y'all upstairs because upstairs you gotta sell your mama's car to get there. So that's the bathroom. That's the bedroom, huh? Yes. This ain't your house. This is not your house. Anywho, this is my living room. Do you see my television and my fireplace? Okay, with my little faux brick wall. Okay, all right. I might show y'all the fireplace this evening. There you go. And look, this is the pink resistance. My kitchen. All right, I don't even know how he think that. My island, my cabinets that are dark. Now, Nikki, I am the real owner. Tell your mom. You know what?
It's on its way.
I don't need this. So there's that. Shady, why was you recording my house though, sis? Oh my gosh. Anyway, so this is the kitchen, you guys. And then here is my pantry. Look at that. Okay. I love my pantry, y'all. I've had it specially built like that. This is also an eat-in kitchen, you guys. There's the eat-in table. Look at my little lights that I put in here. Those are so cute, my pendant lights. I would go upstairs, y'all, but that's everybody going upstairs, so come on, we can go upstairs. I guess we'll follow everybody upstairs. Woo! Y'all gonna hear me huffing and puffing on these stairs. But yeah, look at that. The ceilings are so high. All right, that's overlooking my landing. Look at that.
You know what, that might be on the big one.
All right. No, you fine. What's this? Oh. Here's the bathroom. All right. Here's another bedroom that I'm letting my guests stay in.
But that's more likely the master bedroom too.
If he come out that way.
Here's another bedroom that I'm letting my guests stay in.
Sorry, you guys been having a good time. Go ahead and handle that for you.
Here's another bedroom that I'm letting my guests stay in.
You all in my room?
This ain't your room. This is my house, sis.
So I'm nosy. What's in the private room?
Mind your business. All right, and then this is my laundry room with my nice Kenmore washer and dryer. Okay, on the pedestal. All right, and we got a little bit of laundry detergent in case you need to wash your clothes. You guys know that when you leave my house, you can wash, right? Okay.
Let me see if it's detergent.
It is. And so this is it. You guys, so I'm thinking about getting like something right there because that's a little blank. I don't like that. Maybe put a little console table on this wall, you know? Yeah. Here's a linen closet.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, here's a linen closet. And that's it, y'all. That's my house tour. You guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the outside of the house. So this is the pool area. They have a hammock. I have a hammock. Some little chairs to sit in. And that is the pool. Look at that, y'all. It's so beautiful back here. I did such an amazing job with this. I'm so proud of myself. And the little rocks, and then this is the hot tub. Look at that, y'all. Get into this. This is the hot tub. Look at that, y'all. That is so nice. And you just have some seating area, the little foliage. You have a bench that you can swing on. You have some more seating. Like, that is so nice. Then there is the sunroom, the covered sunroom. So let me take you guys through there. So this is the covered little sun porch. And then you come through this door and you have more seating. And this is just like the grassy outdoor area. You have the little wooden chairs and a fire pit right there. And some more seating, barbecue grill. Little outdoor kind of like kitchen area. Have some little garden things over there. And then you have this little, I don't don't know what this is, but you haven't. I don't want to walk too far because it's creepy. I guess that's like a little, I don't know, but you can walk over it and it goes around the house. I guess it looks like a moat. Okay, what it looks like to me, but that's it. So this is the outdoor area, and there's all little open area, giving me very much serial killer horror movie vibes, but that's okay. That's all right. That's good.
Promise you won't let me down.